One small leak can wreck your home, but now you can stop leaks automatically. If a pipe bursts or a fitting starts dripping, minutes matter. A smart water shutoff can sense abnormal flow and close your main automatically, before a small leak becomes a big repair. Many Gulf Coast homeowners choose Flow by Moen for real-time alerts and remote control from their phone. Peaden makes the installation of Flow by Moen simple. First, our licensed plumber checks your main line, valve access, Wi-Fi, and power. We size and install the shutoff in line with your main, then run a leak test and confirm that app control is functioning properly. We show you the basics, alerts, away mode, and how to turn water off from your phone. We'll label the valve location and leave the area clean. Peaden integrates smart solutions so your home is protected whether you're at work, traveling, or riding out storm season. Want ongoing support? SmartCare members get routine home system checkups, priority scheduling, and member perks. Ready to protect your home from hidden leaks with automatic shutoff? Our Peaden pros can help. Schedule service for a smart water shutoff install today.
Peaden, the pros you can trust.